Hi students, today our lesson is, today's class is, that is alkenes. Okay, alkenes. Topic is alkenes. What are alkenes? Alkenes are saturated hydrocarbons or unsaturated hydrocarbons? Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons with carbon-carbon double bond are called alkenes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons with carbon double bond carbon. ఇలా రాసే carbon double bond carbon are called alkenes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons with C double bond C are called alkenes. Alkenes are also called as a dash. Alkenes are also called as olefins. Olefins. What are olefins? Olefins means, suppose ethylene, first compound ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2 is called ethylene. Ethylene or ethene, IUPAC name ethene. This ethene forms oily like liquid. Oily liquid. It is a oily liquid. It is a oily liquid. So it is considered as olefin. Why do alkenes are called olefins? Means they are oily like liquids simply. Especially ethylene or ethene is a oily liquid. Okay. Now here, carbon atom undergoes dash hybridization. Carbon atom means double bonded carbon atom particularly. Carbon atom undergoes which hybridization? sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Okay. And then carbon atom undergoes sp2 hybridization. Now see here, what is its shape? If sp2 hybridization is involved, shape should be planar triangular shape or trigonal planar shape. Okay. And bond angle how much? How much bond angle? Bond angle is, that is 120 degrees. 120 degrees sp2 hybridization. Okay. Now here, in between two carbon atoms, in double bonded carbon, suppose bond is like this, C double bond C. One is a sigma bond and another one is pi bond. One is a sigma and another one is a pi bond. Okay. And then here, C double bond C, bond length is a dash. How much? Bond length. Bond length is 1.34 angstrom units or 134 picometers. That's enough. General. Okay. Now, methods of preparation of alkenes and properties of alkenes we have to study. Okay. Next one is, now look at the board. Alkenes. Methods of preparation. Methods of preparation of alkenes. Okay. From alkynes. First one. Alkynes. By partial hydrogenation. Partial hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means? What does it mean? Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Isn't it? Addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is called hydrogenation. You know. Last class cheppanu ee meanings anni kuda. Hydrogenation. Okay. See here. This is alkyne. Alkyne means carbon-carbon triple bonded compound is called alkyne. Suppose here one R, here one R. This is just alkyne, isn't it? Alkyne. When this alkyne is treated with hydrogen, In the presence of palladium catalyst, directly palladium, platinum, nickel directly added. As a result, what happens? First one bond. See here, this is like this. R, C, triple bond C, R plus hydrogen. Okay, in the presence of palladium, platinum or nickel, platinum or nickel catalyst. As a result, first what happens? When it is heated in the presence of palladium, platinum, nickel, first this bond breaks down and two hydrogen atoms added to adjacent carbons. Atu itu add aithe o bond break avutundi. And again, फिर भी ये bond break होके pi bond. Here two pi bonds are there. One sigma bond, two pi bond. This pi bond breaks down and two hydrogen atoms added to two adjacent carbon atoms. As a result, R single bond CH2. It becomes CH2. Single bond, this bond. Again, this also becomes CH2 and R. This becomes nothing but alkane. Okay. सो क्या प्रिपेयर करना है यहाँ पर? आल्कीन प्रिपेयर करना है, लेकिन क्या फॉर्म हो गया? आल्केन आ गया. सो इसीलिए इसे कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा. जस्ट एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक करना, दूसरे टू बॉन्ड्स नहीं ब्रेक करना. అర్థమైందా? డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉండాలి మనకి. అక్కడ ఉండాలి అంటే ఒక్క బాండే బ్రేక్ చేయాలి, టూ బాండ్స్ కాదు. ఇఫ్ యూ యూజ్ నికెల్ పెల్లాడియం ప్లాటినం ఆన్ హీటింగ్, కంప్లీట్ హైడ్రోజనేషన్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్. కంప్లీట్ హైడ్రోజనేషన్. कंट्रोल చేయాలి దాన్ని. कंट्रोल చేయాలంటే ఒక్క బాండే బ్రేక్ అవ్వాలి, एक ही बॉन्ड ब्रेक होना. इसीलिए इसे कंट्रोल करने के लिए डिफरेंट reagents are used. See here, from alkynes by partial hydrogenation. अभी मैं बताया ना वो कंप्लीट हाइड्रोजनेशन. రెండు బాండ్స్ బ్రేక్ అయ్యి యాడ్ అవడం కంప్లీట్ హైడ్రోజనేషన్. Now this is alkyne, hydrogen, palladium heating gives rise to complete hydrogenation. Alkane is formed. Okay. Now, alkynes on reduction in the presence of palladized charcoal. This is important. Palladized charcoal partially deactivated with poisons like quinoline, etc. Give alkenes. Partial hydrogenation. This reagent is important. Means जो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होता है ना, ये ट्रिपल बॉन्ड में C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C R R सिर्फ एक ही बॉन्ड ब्रेक होके इधर इधर हाइड्रोजन ऐड होता है. जब आर सी डबल बॉन्ड इसी तरह रह जाता है, ये सी एच हो गया, ये भी सी एच, इधर आर आ गया. सो आल्कीन बन गया. सो इसे कंट्रोल नहीं करने से ये बॉन्ड भी ब्रेक हो जाके आल्केन फॉर्म होगा. అర్థమైందా? సో ఏం చేయాలి? కంట్రోల్ చేయాలి. కంట్రోల్ చేయడానికి మనం యూజ్ చేసే రియేజెంట్ డైరెక్ట్గా పెల్లాడియం, ప్లాటినం, నికెల్ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్? స్పెషల్ catalyst, that is palladized charcoal partially deactivated with poisons like quinoline. What does it mean? देखो यहाँ पर palladized charcoal means charcoal. This is nothing but charcoal piece. समझो, इसमें palladium metal, स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ पैलाडियम पीडी, इसको क्विनोलिन लिक्विड में, क्विनोलिन इज ए लिक्विड, ये लिक्विड डालने से ये पैलाडियम का एक्टिविटी कम हो जाता है, डिक्रीज होता है. इसे बोलते हैं कि पॉइजन्ड बाय क्विनोलिन. पॉइजन्ड मीन्स नॉट पॉइजन देयर, दैट डिक्रीजेस द एक्टिविटी. पॉइजन्स डिक्रीजेस द एक्टिविटी ऑफ कैटलिस्ट. The substance which decreases the activity of catalyst is called poison. Okay. So here अगर पैलाडियम का एक्टिविटी ज्यादा हो गया तो आल्केन बन जाता है. అవతల వైపు ఆల్కేన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, అది మోర్ రియాక్టివ్ అయితే. उसको लेस रिएक्टिव बना देना कंट्रोल करने के लिए. दैट इज व्हाई R C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C R gives rise to palladized charcoal by quinoline, poisoned by quinoline. As a result, R C double bond C R alkene is formed. Understand or not? So that is about palladized charcoal का meaning वो है, means charcoal embedded with palladium and it is treated with quinoline. Quinoline is called here poison, means it decreases the activity of palladium. As a result, hydrogenation reaction controlled. As a result, alkene is formed instead of alkane. Understand or not? Right. Abhi dekho. Not only that is called Lindlar's reagent. What is Lindlar's reagent? Lindlar's reagent means palladized charcoal plus quinoline. Quinoline is called, this catalyst is called Lindlar's reagent. Lindlar's reagent. Okay? Lindlar's reagent is used for controlled hydrogenation. Okay, now see here. Alkyne, this one is alkyne, treated with hydrogen. Palladized charcoal, quinoline. As a result, bond break हो गया. CH, triple bond. See, अगर यहाँ बताऊंगा मैं वो, that is like this. C, R, triple bond, C, R plus H2 in the presence of palladium plus charcoal by quinoline. Means इसके बदले में क्या लिख सकते हैं? Lindlar's reagent भी लिख सकते हैं. Lindlar's reagent. Lindlar's reagent. As a result, bond break हो गया, HH add हो गया. अभी compound इसी तरह form होता है. That is C double bond C, H H and R R. ये कार्बन को ये एक R है और H ऐड हो जाएगा. ये कार्बन के एक हाइड्रोजन है, एक R ऐड होके है. Okay, so this is cis addition. Cis addition takes place. What is a cis compound? If similar groups are present at the same side, then it is called cis compound. If similar groups are attached at opposite direction, then that is called trans compound. Isn't it? Trans isomer. Cis isomer, trans isomer. So in the presence of Lindlar's reagent, dash addition takes place. Important bit. Cis addition takes place. Okay, note down that reaction there. Okay, this one, cis alkene. Cis alkene is formed. Next, another reagent can be used. Palladium, calcium carbonate and Lindlar's catalyst. Palladium, calcium carbonate. Lindlar's reagent means palladium, charcoal, quinoline. That mixture when used, at that time also cis alkene is formed. Reagents are important. With which reagent, which compound is formed. And here also, alkyne treated with hydrogen. Palladium, barium sulfate, Rosenmund catalyst. Palladium, barium sulfate, Rosenmund catalyst. At that time also, cis alkene is formed. याद रखना, palladium, charcoal, quinoline means Lindlar's reagent. Palladium, calcium carbonate, Lindlar's catalyst. Palladium, barium sulfate, Rosenmund catalyst, that gives cis alkene. All gives cis alkene. Okay. Now, next one. For partial hydrogenation or Birch catalyst, partial hydrogenation. Here also partial. Lindlar's reagent kuda partial hai. Oka bond kada break avutundi, double bond undipotundi. Idi kuda partial hai. But here it is called Birch catalyst. What is Birch catalyst? Sodium plus liquid ammonia. Sodium and liquid ammonia is called Birch catalyst. Or you can use lithium also. Lithium plus liquid ammonia is called Birch catalyst. In the presence of Birch catalyst, Lindlar's catalyst, both are used for partial hydrogenation. So, in the presence of Birch catalyst, trans alkene is formed. See, two R's opposite direction, two hydrogens opposite direction. Trans alkene is formed. Okay. याद रखना ये गुर्तुपेట్టుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఏ క్యాటలిస్ట్ ఉంటే ఏమి వస్తుంది అనేది. రైట్, సోడియం ఆర్ లిథియం ఇన్ లిక్విడ్ అమ్మోనియా ఫార్మ్స్ ట్రాన్స్ ఆల్కీన్. నౌ see here, important one is terminal alkynes do not give Birch reduction. टर्मिनल alkynes के बारे में बहुत समझना पड़ेगा. टर्मिनल alkynes बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, alkynes में भी आएगा. ओके, टर्मिनल alkynes. ओके, अभी मैं पढ़ाऊंगा यहाँ पर, देखो एक बार. बी अलर्ट, बी केयरफुल. टर्मिनल alkyne, alkyne का मतलब क्या है? ट्रिपल बॉन्डेड compounds, you know very well. Suppose compound is like this, CH2 CH3. Here also, for example, CH3. It is nothing but alkyne. 1 2 3 4 5. Pentyne, 2 pentyne or pent 2 ine, isn't it? Triple bond unte ine ravali. Pent 2 ine, its name, IUPAC name. Suppose compound is like this, CH3 CH2 CH2 C triple bond C H. It is a terminal hydrogen. Last carbon దగ్గర triple bond ఉంటే terminal. This is present between not at the end. This triple bond is not present at the end of the chain. కదా, ఎండ్ లో లేదు, ఎక్కడో చోట ఉంది. बीच में कहाँ भी रह सकता है, लेकिन फर्स्ट कार्बन में और लास्ट कार्बन के पास ट्रिपल बॉन्ड रहने से टर्मिनल alkynes. These terminal alkynes behaves like acids. What is acid? The substance which liberates H plus ion is called acid. You know very well. Kada. Now, this hydrogen acts as acidic hydrogen. Very, very, very important. Acidic hydrogen. Which hydrogen acts as acidic hydrogen? The hydrogen atom which is bonded with triple bonded carbon. ट्रिपल बॉन्डेड कार्बन को जो हाइड्रोजन अटैच होके है वो हाइड्रोजन. See here, triple bond is there here also, but triple bonded carbon does not contain hydrogen atom. Is this first compound contains acidic hydrogen? No. This second carbon contains acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen means hydrogen which is attached with triple bonded carbon. Triple bonded carbon hydrogen రావాలి అంటే that should be at the end of the chain. End of the chain, అటు కానీ ఇటు కానీ C triple bond వస్తే అప్పుడు మాత్రమే హైడ్రోజన్ వస్తుంది. If triple bond is present at the center, that does not contain hydrogen atom. 4 bonds సరిపోయినాయి దానికి, ఇంకా హైడ్రోజన్ ఉండదు. ఇక్కడ 3 bonds వస్తే ఇంకోటి రావాలి కాబట్టి హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంది. ఓకే, నౌ సో why see this compound, for example CH3 CH3 CH3, this compound does not contain acidic hydrogen, and the compound is like this, CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. This also does not contain acidic hydrogen. And suppose compound is like this, CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. It is also, this compound also does not contain acidic hydrogen. ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది? టెర్మినల్ డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉన్నా ఉండదు, టెర్మినల్ సింగిల్ బాండ్ ఉన్నా ఉండదు, టెర్మినల్ ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ ఉన్నప్పుడే ఉంటుంది. వై? వాట్ ఈస్ ది రీజన్, మెయిన్ రీజన్? वो समझना. ఓకే, now see here, carbon atoms, how many types of hybridizations are there? sp3, sp2 and sp. Triple bonded carbon means this is which hybridized carbon? sp. కార్బన్ కి ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ ఉంటే sp. డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉన్నట్లయితే sp2. సింగిల్ బాండ్ ఉంటే sp3. ఓకే, మనకి ఎసిడిక్ హైడ్రోజన్ దేనికి అటాచ్ అయి ఉండాలి? sp hybridized carbon. ఓకే, now see here, in sp3 hybrid orbital, percentage of s character, how much? Percentage of s character, how much? How much s character? Percentage of s, how much? 25%. isn't it? P character enta 75%. Telidu. sp2 lo how much percentage of S character? 33.33% S character and 66.66% P character. Here 50% S character, 50% P character. sp3 means percentage of S. ఎలా find out చేస్తావు? S orbital 1. Total number of orbitals 3 plus 1 4 into 100. That is 25%. Percentage of P కావాలి. How many P orbitals are involved? 3. Isn't it? 3. Out of how many orbitals? 4 orbitals. 3 plus 1 4 into 100. That is 75%. Like that you can find percentage. Now here, which character is more in sp3 hybrid orbital? P character. P orbital shape, dumbbell shape. S orbital, spherical. So here dumbbell shape is more, spherical shape is less. So hybrid orbital is like this. More spherical instead of more elongated instead of spherical. Here P character decreases, S character increases, its size is near to spherical. So its size is like this, decreases. Here 50-50%. So S character is very high, that is spherical nature is very high, like this. So which is lengthy orbital? sp3 orbital size is large, next to that sp2, next to that sp size. And electronegativity, whose electronegativity is more? Greater the S character, greater the S character. Greater the S character, greater is the electronegativity. Electronegativity means tendency of an atom to attract bond pair of electrons towards its nucleus. So, electronegativity order, sp3 is less than, sp2 is less than sp. Okay. See here, C triple bond CH. So which orbital overlaps with S orbital? sp hybrid orbital overlaps with S orbital. Isn't it? Here the distance between carbon and hydrogen atom is very less, because size is sp orbital size is less. Suppose ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఉంది అనుకో, C double bond C H కదా, ఇక్కడ ఒక H, ఇక్కడ ఒక H. This is sp2 hybrid orbital. It is somewhat lengthy orbital, isn't it, than this orbital sp. అదే సింగిల్ బాండ్ ఉందనుకో, H H H కదా, ఇక్కడ ఇది ఇంకా లెంతీగా ఉంటుంది. sp3 hybrid orbital, this one, it is sp to sp. It is small in size, isn't it? Small in size. So electronegativity is more. This carbon atom's electronegativity is more than sp2 than sp3. So it pulls the bond pair of electrons towards its nucleus. It pulls the electron of hydrogen also along with its electron, paired electron. As a result, H loses one electron and deliberates H plus. Understand or not? So, but here it cannot attract because its electronegativity is less. Its electronegativity is very less comparatively. So it cannot pull the electrons. It cannot pull. It can pull easily. So H plus liberates easily. So it acts as acid. Substance which liberates H plus ion is called acid. So which behaves as acidic hydrogen. The hydrogen which is attached with triple bonded carbon acts as hydrogen. So now our question is, see here CH, what you call triple bond CH. For example, acetylene, this one. When treated with what you call sodium or lithium in liquor ammonia. As a result, generally it should take place like this. Controlled hydrogenation kada. ఇటో ఒక్క బాండ్ బ్రేక్ అయ్యి అటు ఒకటి ఇటు ఒకటి యాడ్ అయ్యి CH2 డబుల్ బాండ్ CH2 అవ్వాలి. బట్ ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ రియాక్షన్ హియర్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్ లైక్ దిస్. ఎలాగా? దట్ ఈస్ CH ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ CH ప్లస్ అదే Na or Li or in the presence of NH3. लिथियम और सोडियम in the presence of NH3. ये सोडियम बाहर निकल के H प्लस ये Na प्लस यहाँ ऐड होता है. ऐसा वाला रिएक्शन के बदली में ये रिएक्शन चलता है यहाँ पर. అది జరగాల్సింది ఇది జరుగుతుంది ఎందుకంటే మోర్ ఎలక్ట్రోనెగటివ్ కాబట్టి. Therefore compound is formed like this CNA. This is called sodium acetylide. చూసావా? అంత ఉంది దాని కథ. क्या समझिए अभी? श्रुति जो पढ़ाया अभी तक वो समझी क्या नहीं? H एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन क्यों एसिडिक नेचर आ गया उसे समझी क्या नहीं? एक बार चार्ट बॉक्स में रख. मैं बहुत थक गया मैं पढ़ा के अभी तक. क्या आर यू फॉलोइंग और नॉट? समझी क्या नहीं? एक बार मैसेज रख. यस सर, राइट, वेरी गुड. ओके, यही है अभी. सी दिस इज टर्मिनल alkynes do not give Birch reduction. Instead of that this reaction takes place. ये H प्लस बाहर निकलता है यानी ये प्लस यहाँ पर ऐड हो जाता है. ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पुल्ड टुवर्ड्स कार्बन ना, इसीलिए इट गेट्स नेगेटिव चार्ज. ये नेगेटिव के चार्ज के पास ये Na प्लस आके यहाँ पर लग जाता है. एक हाइड्रोजन है ना, इसीलिए हाफ H2 बोलते हैं उसे. ఒక్క హైడ్రోజన్ కదా బయటకు వస్తుంది కాబట్టి హాఫ్ H2 మీన్స్ సింగిల్ हाइड्रोजन. राइट. सो OA की रिएक्शन के लिए 10 मिनट्स 15 मिनट्स टाइम ले लिया OA की रिएक्शन. ओके, नाउ अभी देखो फ्रॉम अल्कोहल्स बाय डिहाइड्रेशन. ओके, क्या कल पढ़ाएंगे? ओके, अभी टाइम कितना हो गया? रिकॉर्ड हुआ क्या नहीं? అమ్మాయి రికార్డ్ అయిందా లేదా? లేనిపోయింది. అయిందిలే అమ్మాయి, 27 మినిట్స్. రైట్ బాబు, ఈ వీడియో వింటున్నటువంటి వాళ్ళు చూస్తున్నటువంటి వాళ్ళు షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, రైట్, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నా.